Hey everyone, Jess here with Stepwithjess, my life coaching business. This week is Doug's birthday and he had requested some information on meal prepping. So I just wanted to kind of go over a few things with you guys regarding meal prepping, why it is so budget friendly, it's super health conscious, and it saves you a lot of time. Basically what you're gonna need, make sure you have some good Tupperware. I love these, they're Rubbermaid. I'm not getting paid by Rubbermaid, but I do love them. They stack nicely in the fridge. Basically, what I always do is to either put chicken or ground up turkey, kind of cook all of that at once, steam some vegetables, maybe cook a little rice or quinoa, and basically you can make yourself a pretty easy, quick meal, and you can make about 4 or 5 of them at a time. Put a little chicken, little vegetables, a little carb, something like sweet potato, rice, quinoa. All those are really good things. They're really super healthy. You can do this with fish. You can do this with tofu. You can do this with beef, whatever you like to eat every week. Make it, meal prep it. The nice thing is when you're doing this, you can literally take an hour, maybe less if you're fast, but about an hour every week, and you can prep all of your lunches for the day. You can prep dinners for the week, maybe do 2 or 3 ahead of time. And that really saves you a lot of time throughout the week. When you come home from work, after you go back to work, when you come home from work, you can put stuff right in the oven or just heat something up and it's good to go for dinner. Saves you a lot of time and a lot of hassle and that terrible, dreaded argument that we all have every day. What are we going to have for dinner, right? That's the biggest argument my husband and I have, what we're eating for dinner. The other thing is meal prepping actually saves you a lot of money. Most of us, if you don't have a meal with you for lunch, you end up eating out, eating on the run, or you eat with the people you work with and you go out for lunch. So you could be spending anywhere from $10 to $15 a day on eating lunch out. So I wrote it up for you. $10 a day. Let's see. $10 a day for 5 days. It's $50. If you're spending $15 for lunch for 5 days, that's $75. So that basically equals out to be $200 to $300 a month that you could be saving, not spending on lunch and eating healthier. Yes, you're going to have to spend a little bit of money to get some protein, some veggies, and some carbs for your own meal prepping, but basically you're still going to save a lot of money every month, and that's just by cooking yourself and eating at home. If you have any questions, let me know. The other thing, if you save that money, you can use it for anything. You can use it for whatever you want. You can go get a massage, go get your hair done, go join a gym, or maybe get some life coaching. Stepwithjess is here to help with that end. If you guys have any questions or comments, write them below. Give me a thumbs up. And also I have an Instagram page in case you want to follow some of the things on there. Would love the support. Hope you guys are having a great day and happy birthday, Doug.